In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pie chart in Notion. If you want a quick visual snapshot of your data, like how tasks are distributed across teams or how a budget breaks down by category, a donut chart is a clean, easy way to see it at a glance. I'll walk you through each step, explain the options you'll see, and share tips to make sure your chart reads clearly. First, add a chart block to your page. Click into the page where you want the chart to live and type /chart. This will bring up the chart block options instantly. It's the fastest way to insert a data visualization without hunting through menus. Next, choose the chart type. From the chart menu, select Donut. A donut chart is a pie chart with a hole in the middle, which can make the proportions easier to read while leaving room for a central label or total. It's perfect when you want to compare parts of a whole and keep the layout compact. Now it's time to point the chart to your data. You can link an existing database or create a new one on the spot. If you already track items like expenses, tasks, or survey responses in a Notion database, linking that will save time. If you are starting fresh, keep it simple. You'll want entries that belong to categories, along with a number for each entry. Think of categories like marketing, operations, or personal, and numbers like amounts, hours, or counts. With the database connected, configure what the chart actually shows. In the chart settings, select which properties to map. Choose a select or multi-select property for your slices. This tells the chart how to group the data. Then assign a number property for the value. This tells the chart how big each slice should be. For example, if your select property is category and your number property is amount, the donut will total all amounts per category and display the proportions automatically. As you review the chart, make sure your categories are consistent and your number column uses valid values. Empty or mismatched fields won't display as expected. If you use multi-select, each tag will contribute to its slice, which is helpful for items that belong to more than one group. The chart updates as your database changes. So once it's mapped correctly, you can keep entering data and watch the visualization stay in sync. That's it, you've created a clean, readable donut chart in Notion. Thanks for watching.